Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to tell you everything about this cast iron kadai which I have purchased from the Indus Valley website. This kadai is specially great for preparing Asian delicacies. Also the base of this kadai is flat which gives the stability while cooking. This is my first purchase from the Indus Valley. As mentioned, the cast iron enhances the iron content in your food, so you can get your essential dose of iron with every meal now. This cast iron kadai has the sturdy handles which gives an excellent grip and make it easy to hold and be moved around. So now you can cook all your favorite dishes like sabzi, biryani, gravies or even fried snacks in this premium thick cast iron deep kadai, 100% pure, toxin free, already pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, non-stick and induction friendly. So without any further delay, let's start the unboxing. So I received the box like this and it was quite nicely packed. So let me open it quickly for you. So inside it was packed in a thick bubble wrap, and this was the invoice which we got, and this is the manual of what to do before and after the use of this kadai. Everything was mentioned here. This kadai was actually quite heavy in weight. It was around 3.2 kgs, and as it is already pre-seasoned, make sure you keep any paper or mat before opening it. So this is how it looks. It's quite heavy, but it's very smooth, and the finish is nice. The base is flat and it is already pre-seasoned with vegetable oil. So you need to wash it before cooking for the first time. It is easy to clean. You just need to hand wash the kadai in soapy water and rinse thoroughly. Now that you're done cleaning it with water, do ensure the cookware is completely hand dry to avoid rusting. Now you need to reapply a thin layer of neutral oil or vegetable oil on both the sides of the kadai. Now heat it until the oil bonds to the metal. Now your kadai is ready to use. Until next time.